Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. So today I thought it'd be fun to do a little something different. I've never actually done an unboxing video, so I thought it would be fun to do that. I recently got a box from Influenster that I thought it'd be fun to unbox. I have already unboxed it myself and taken pictures for the blog post, but I thought it would still be fun to kind of go through the products on camera for something different. Okay, so I've got the box here. This is what it looks like. It says, be loud, be proud, be an influencer. This was sent to me from Influencer based upon different surveys I've done and has products in it that they think I would like. The box is really cute how it's got all different things on it, but let's open this up, okay? Okay, so first thing I see when I open it up is the card. It says hashtag renew Voxbox, and it gives me a list of all the items that are in the box, so we will go over those as we pull them out. So first up, we have this from Not Your Mother's Naturals. This is their matcha green tea and wild apple blossom nutrient-rich butter mask for your hair. It says it's deep conditioning with antioxidants to help restore damaged hair. Now, I have not used this yet because I recently dyed my hair, and so I was using the conditioner that, suggested with the hair dye. So I have not used this yet, but it is on the list to use. Obviously, my hair is not damaged or anything, but it's always good to keep your hair nice. It says a detoxifying blend of matcha green tea and wild apple blossom enriches hair and scalp with antioxidants and nutrients for a deep, clean, nutrient-rich butter mask, deeply conditions and aids in restoring damaged strands by preparing hair for purified, fresh style. And it smells amazing. Like, I'd wear a lotion that smells like this. I get a little bit of the apple. I don't know that I get green tea, the matcha green tea. I haven't actually had that to attest for if it smells like that or not. But from what I think I've smelled of it in the past, it kind of smells earthy and grassy, and that does not have this. It just reminds me of a good smelling lotion or perfume, and now I'm wishing this were a lotion to put all over because it just smells really good. And it's just like a white, it looks like a lotion. There you go. And again, this is Not Your Mother's Naturals, which is a Florida-based brand. And it says it's 100% free of sulfate, silicone, gluten, parabens, dyes, and that. It is made in the USA. Obviously, it's based in Florida. It's actually based in Tampa, Florida. And then it is also cruelty-free. This, it says, retails for $9, and this is the full size. So that I'm excited to try. I will definitely wait till my hair is back to normal, and I will use this sometime. Next up we have, the box is falling over, a mini size. I'm not sure you guys if it's gonna focus on the words, but this is Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water, all-in-one, waterproof, removes makeup, even waterproof mascara, cleanses and refreshes. No rinse, no harsh rubbing, face, lips, and eyes. And it says no oil, alcohol, or fragrance. It says for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Now, I've used some waters like this in the past. I use the Simply brand all the time for my makeup remover just because it is what I find I like the best. And my issue with makeup removers is that they usually have that layer of oil, which I am noticing in this. I'm not sure you guys can tell, but the top layer has those oily bubbles, so I'm not sure I'm gonna like this one. I haven't tried it yet because of that, because of a whole bunch of other things too, but as I shake it I can definitely see the oil, so I'm not sure I'm gonna love this, but I'm excited to try it. I wonder if it has a scent. Let's be careful here. It does not. I mean, it said no fragrance, but sometimes when it says no fragrance it just has a clean scent, but this does not. It just has no fragrance, which is great. And this says, I'm guessing the regular size would retail at $9. Sorry, why did I say 9? The regular size would retail at $6.96, and I'm guessing this is probably your travel version, which is probably $3 something. That's what most things are when they're this size. So there is that. Now, next up, we have another thing from Garnier. This is the Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisture Day/Night Mask. 96% naturally derived ingredients made with rose water without mineral oils, parabens, silicones, and dyes. This is just like a probably one-time use little sample size. It does come in a tub if you were to buy it in stores, which they show right here. And let's see what this retails for. Doesn't tell me what the little trial run retails. I think lots of places usually have these for $1 something. But the full size is $9.96, and this is basically just for hydrating and to soothe your face. I have not used this one yet, obviously, because I wouldn't have the packaging then if I had. And I want to save it for like when, you know, when you get a sunburn in the summer and you're just like really dried out or super oily. I feel like this will help because it's going to hydrate and put that stuff back into your skin that you need. And this has rose water, so I'm not sure I'm going to like the smell of it, but hopefully it's not too powerful. But we will definitely wait and see. But that is this. Next up, we have a sample of the Splenda Naturals. It says sweetness from Stevia. I've not tried these yet because, again, I wouldn't have had these. And these, a 40 count retails for $3.99 and an 80 count retails for $6.99. So that's a little pricey, but I know there's some people that really prefer the Stevia Splenda, so that is probably really good for them and their naturals, which is nice. I will definitely try these out in my coffee because I usually use 2 sweeteners in my morning coffee, so this will be perfect. And another thing that did come in this box that I do not have was a coupon for a butter. It was an avocado-based butter with absolutely no dairy. It was a vegan-free butter. Vegan butter, and we actually went to the store. Our Winn-Dixie had the butter already and we got it, and it tastes really good. It's very similar tasting to the Brummel Brown, which is yogurt based, but this one is the avocado based and it's really good. It's actually less calories than the Brummel Brown, and I couldn't tell a difference when I buttered my bread with that and the other right next to it, so definitely a good thing. That one is, it actually doesn't have its information right here. That's weird, but it came with the coupon in the box for it to go get it for free, which was really nice, but its information is not on here. Oh wait, yes it is. It is the Pureblends plant-based butters, and it retails for $3.79. I actually think at our Winn-Dixie it was $4 something. And real quick, it is starting to thunder outside, so I apologize if we have any weird sound interruptions, but that did come in the box. I already redeemed that. It is in the fridge downstairs, and it does taste delicious, so I will link it below. I just don't have a picture of it. And next up and lastly, we have this little soap. Let's see if you guys can see the packaging. It is by Some Soap Naturally Good Suds, and they're handmade pure soaps. So like actually, I could actually read off all the ingredients right now to you, and I can pronounce them, which is a great thing because, you know, when you get those soaps that have things you can't pronounce, you're not sure really how good those are. So for the fun of it, let's do it. It has coconut oil, palm oil, olive oil, castor oil, safflower oil, oats, oat milk, some essential oils blend. That's it. And this is a lavender scented soap, and it smells so good. Like, it smells like pure lavender, and it smells great. I wish you guys could smell it because it does smell wonderful. And this is, it just smells really good. Let's see. This one is, I'm guessing, a trial size. It doesn't actually tell me anywhere on this, but the one bar, I'm guessing full size, retails at $6 on the Somebody site, which I will link everything to all these products below. But that is the last item of the box. So overall, I think that's a fun mixture of items. You had like hair care, you had skincare, you've got some good version of sweets, you've got a mask, you've got the makeup remover, and you had the butter downstairs. So overall, I quite liked this box. I'm excited to try the Not Your Mother's hair mask, obviously the face mask because I love face masks in general, and I was quite impressed with this Renew Voxbox. So if you guys want to check any of these items out, I will have them linked below. I will also have a link to Influenster if you guys want to join Influenster yourselves. Basically, they're a company that you do surveys, for. They will ask you different things, and based upon your responses, whenever they have a box that might be targeted towards things that you might like, they might just put you on their list and send you the box of goodies to try out and leave your reviews on. So that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. I will have some suggestions right after this, and it will be a subscribe button. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!